foodland. Today's extra special dish is dosa, which is instant dosa. It's made of not rice flour, it's made of wheat flour. So just look at this, how crispy and delicious this looks. And of course I'm going to show you how I made this chutney also. Are you bored of eating typical breakfast recipe just as poha, upma, suji halwa? This is a really healthy and interesting recipe. You see this as a dosa, but I have not grinded anything. This quick and easy instant dosa, and of course is super healthy dosa. Let's get started with the recipe. For this quick and easy dosa recipe, we need all these ingredients. Let's start with 1 cup of wheat flour, 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of suji or semolina or rava, and water. This is half tablespoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes, and salt to taste. So let's start mixing all this together. Alright, so in a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of wheat flour. It's a very quick and easy breakfast recipe. 3 tablespoons or 1/4 cup of yogurt, 1/4 cup of semolina or suji, salt to taste, which is almost 3/4 teaspoon. This is 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, and the kasuri methi, which is fenugreek leaves. This is going to give us a beautiful taste to the dosa. Mix this well, and now slowly add water. It's almost 1 cup of water, and I might need some more. Let's find that out. Yes, I definitely need more water because we need to have the consistency of dosa. Alright, so I have added half cup of water. So let's mix it. Since there is a suji, I'm going to keep it covered for about 5 to 10 minutes. But in the meantime, you can get your chutney ready. So let's mix this well and keep it covered. Alright, so for the chutney, I have fresh shredded coconut, red chili powder, salt, 3 garlic cloves, pinch of sugar to taste. So I'm going to grind this and our chutney will be ready. I'm going to get all this grinded, and here you go, my chutney is ready in 2 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes I have this batter. Let's mix this really well. Make sure there are no lumps. The batter has to be really smooth. Now time to add half a teaspoon of baking powder. We are not adding baking soda, we are adding baking powder. Mix this well. We are adding baking powder to make it crispier, and since it's a quick and easy dosa batter recipe, we need that. There is no grinding required in this recipe. Just mix it and carry on. You will have amazing crispy dosas ready in few minutes. And kasuri methi and red chili flakes, they are going to give us beautiful flavor to the dosa. I have heated up the skillet, and let's move on to the next step. Alright, so I have my dosa skillet hot enough. So how to test that? Just add few drops of water, wipe it, and turn the heat low at this time. Wipe this, and now add few drops of oil. I have taken coconut oil just to grease it. I know it's non-stick skillet, but we'll have a little bit of coconut oil spread out because this is our first dosa. We are going to pour it here. So now I have a kitchen towel. Turn the heat low. Now let's pour the dosa. Going to add few drops of oil just for that additional flavor. Now you can turn the heat to medium. I'm not going to keep it covered, just let it change the color from the bottom. Okay. So now I can see the sides are turning brown, and look how easily this comes out. I don't have to even scrape this underneath because this is just coming out so easily. It's already there. So now our dosa is ready. Look at this. Look at this, how beautiful this looks. I'm going to show you one more. So turn the heat low. Always remember, when you pour the dosa batter in on the skillet, you turn the heat to low. By adding some water, you're reducing the temperature of the skillet because earlier our flame was high. So now I'm going to reduce this heat from the. It's just easier for us to pour the batter in and spread it well. You can see this beautifully spreading. Now you can turn the heat high, add some oil, alright, so there you go. You don't have to flip it, just slide it underneath, and look at this, how beautiful this looks. There you go. Do I have to say anything in here? Look at this, how crispy this looks. Beautiful, isn't it? And this chutney, if you have not tried this chutney, you should try this. I can't tell you how tasty that is. Wow, amazing. And you see the crisp? You hear that? Wow. As we already know, the regular dosa, once the skillet is hot enough, it doesn't give that crispiness. But yeah, after 2-3 dosas, you will see the crispy dosas coming out so easily. Beautiful. Look at this. As you've seen, a super healthy, super delicious recipe is right in front of you. Dosa, which is we made instantly. We didn't grind anything, and as you can see, there's a quick and easy yet healthy and delicious recipe, perfect and feeling breakfast or even a meal recipe. So I hope you liked it, and of course, if you like this recipe, please hit the like button, do share your comments. I love to see your comments, and again I'm reaching 3 digits subscribers, so thank you so much for your love and support, and I'll see you next time with yet another interesting recipe. Thank you. See you next time. Bye bye.